Hello, lovely kids. How are you? Welcome to Learn Be Kids. Today we will be learn about seasons of the year. Let's start. There are 4 seasons in a year. These are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. First one is spring season. Spring. Spring or early summer is the season between winter and summer in the natural cycle. It is between March 21st and June 21st in the northern hemisphere. Spring is one of the 4 temperate seasons after winter and before summer. What will happen when spring comes? Have you noticed a big change in nature? When spring comes, the air gets warmer. Plants bloom, trees grow green leaves, branches bud, birds, insects, bees, butterflies appear. Spring fruits. Spring fruits are green plum, strawberries, apples. Spring vegetables are peas, broad beans, spinach, lettuce, carrots. What to wear in spring? Spring clothes should be neither too thick or not too thin. Light jackets, trench coat, oversized, loose t-shirts are suitable for this season. Second is summer season. Summer. Summer is the hottest season in the northern hemisphere. The longest days are in summer because the earth stores heat. The hottest days usually occur about 2 months later. The hottest days are between June 21st and September 22nd in the northern hemisphere and between December 22nd and March 21st in the southern hemisphere. What will happen when summer comes? In summer, the temperature rises above 30 degrees Celsius in many regions. June 21st is the longest day of the year. After June 21st, the days get shorter and nights longer. Rainfall decreases and some lakes and river beds dry up. Summer's fruits. Summer fruits include watermelon, melon, cherries, apricot, peaches, grapes, blackberries, and pears, while summer vegetables include eggplant, pumpkin, pepper varieties, tomatoes. What to wear in summer? When thinking about what to wear in summer, light and breathable fabric are ideals. Cotton t-shirts, chiffon blouses, satin women's shirts, lined pants should come to mind. Third one is autumn season. Autumn. It falls in the season between summer and winter. It is also known as autumn and vintage. It falls in September, October, and November in the northern hemisphere, and in March, April, and May in the southern hemisphere. What will happen when fall comes? The days are getting shorter and nights longer. The sun sets earlier. It gives less heat and light. The number of cool, rainy, and windy days increase. What to wear in the fall? The most popular clothing choices for fall are layered and lightweight yet protective pieces that adapt to the transitions of the seasons. Thin sweater, cardigan, trench coat, and waterproof boots are the most popular outfit. Fourth one is winter season. Winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year in the polar and temperate region of the earth. It is mostly absent in the tropics. It comes every year after autumn and before spring. Winter is caused by the earth axis tilt, which move each hemisphere further away from the sun. What happens when winter comes? Although it is the coldest season, these months include December, January, February, especially in Jan and February. Season cold temperature come to the fore with heavy snowfall as the air temperature drops to minus, frost occur and heavy snowfall occurs. Winter fruits. Winter vegetables, cabbage, radish, spinach, leek, broccoli, beetroot, carrots, and cauliflower. And fruits, apples, oranges, bananas, pomegranates, grapefruit, and chestnuts. What to wear in winter? Clothes warm in winter are clothes that will keep us warmer and protect us from cold. Sweater, pants, thick tights, as well as coats. Coats are example of the winter clothes. In addition, hats, scarves, and gloves are among the cloth we wear in winter to keep our head, neck, and hand warm. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, lovely kids.